Hi mga kalisngag! This is my third nonsense lesson for you, and I am going to show you how to make an elephant by using two towels. One medium-sized towel and a small-sized towel. This small-sized towel will serve as the head of the elephant. And this medium-sized towel will serve as the body of the elephant. And the first procedure is you have to fold this side like this and sew the other side like this. After folding both sides, you have to flip it over so that all the folded sides will go to the back like this. After that, you have to estimate the middle part of the towel. This is the middle part, and then all you have to do is to roll this side over until it reaches to the middle side like this. Slowly, and then stop it right here at the middle side. After that, you have to do the same process to the other side like this. Roll it over until it reaches at the middle like this. After that, this will be the finished product, the body of the elephant. Then after that, you have to fold like this. This will serve as the feet. This is the left foot, the right foot. See, it will serve as the body of the elephant. And then after that, you have to set this aside. And then we are making the head of the elephant by this. First procedure is you have to fold this like this, and then this part is the middle part. Then you have to paak this, kit this like that, and then you have to roll both sides like this. Roll it until they met the center like this, and then hold it firmly like this. After holding it this side, you have to flip it towards here, towards the front like this. This will serve as the trunk of the elephant. This is the ear, this is the face. Okay, look at this. See, it looks like face the elephant. Then you have to take the body. This is the body. You have to put the head above the body like this. Voila. See? Does it look like elephant for you? Does it look like elephant to you? See? I have now my baby elephant. Okay? Okay, thank you. That's the third nonsense lesson. Thank you for watching, if you are watching.